Hi, I'm Damion and this is Todd, and welcome to the luxurious Edenbrook estate here in Parkhurst.
Number 13 Edenbrook Drive is a wonderful family home, executed perfectly. Let's go and take a quick look. We'd love to show you around. I love how this home just flows. The spaces really work well with each other. This open plan kitchen living area is really special. It's light filled and these high ceilings make this home feel super grand.
Well, there were plenty of superlatives thrown about when it came to describing this home, but one thing for sure, it's a superior and a stylish family home. If you want to find out a little bit more about it, please contact Todd or myself, Damion.